At Thames Kosmos, we envision a world where everyone loves to learn. Our products inspire kids and families to think deeper, play longer, and just figure stuff out. We make science toys and kits that teach through fun, hands-on experimentation. Games that challenge the mind and bring people together. Activity toys that encourage imagination and open-ended play. And curricula that support educators to make learning enjoyable and effective. Because when everyone loves to learn, the possibilities are endless.